Hello and welcome to Coffee with Carey. So just like my dog, Milo, who isn't with us anymore, who was a huge coffee drinker, but only after his dinner meal, Frankie, the new cat, is a coffee lover, and he keeps sticking his paw into my coffee cups and licking them off. So I now have to drink my coffee with a lid on it, trying to break his habit. So therefore, coffee with a lid today. Do you have a cat who does that? Do you know of a cat that drinks coffee? Maybe, I'm sure if I started drinking it black, he'd lose interest, but I'm not willing to go that far. I just put a lid on my cup. So today, thanks for stopping by. My mother mentioned it like for the third time, honestly, that she wasn't loving my eye makeup looks lately. Although I have to say, I don't think she's watched a few of my most recent eyeshadow tutorials. Like the smoky eye with the cream shadows, I don't think she saw that. That was definitely not warm browns. But I decided today to create a look for her. And this look I created kind of went towards the yellows and some bronzes and some mushroomy sort of colors. If you want to see how I created it, stick around. It's just a little eyeshadow tutorial, but I thought I'd share it with you as long as I was sharing it with my mother. Well, I'm really feeling that I wish I had cleaned off my palette, because my Morphe palette, I'm afraid to show it to you. It's just embarrassing how bad it is. It's looking like that. And he's got all this stuff in the middle. But those are the colors I have to work with. And if I'm going to do something a little bit more towards the yellows, I'm either going to use this top color here, the second one in over here, that one. I brought down this Revolution palette that's called Reloaded, and this yellow color here is appealing to me. I think I'm just going to go in with that. So taking a fluffy brush, that goldenrod color is going, oh, I don't use these colors, I told you. I'm putting it all over my lid and into my crease because this is my transition color. Not dragging it too far in towards the middle corner, but definitely above my crease, on my lid. And then once I kind of get it blended, I bring what's left over into that inner corner a little bit, like right there. That's our start. That's our transition color. Now, do I want to stay in this palette for any more colors? You know, I might take with a small brush, I'm going to go into this color right here, the second one there, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner here, like a little bit lighter, and I think it's light enough. I'm going to take it. The bronzy color in here has too much red. I want something a little more towards the yellow tones. Mother. I just don't really love those colors. Do you not like my eyes? I said, do you not like my makeup when you see me in person? Yeah, I say your makeup looks nice when you're in person. I'm going to go into this color here. Got a little more yellow than some of the taupier ones which have pink. Let's just try it. This is the same brush I was using. I'm going to take a clean brush now though and blend that. Little pencil, that same color. Attach it to the outer corner here. Bring it up to meet the top. Almost the bottom row. And I'm going to put some of that on my lid. Oh, I like that because there's not much of it there, but it's kind of darkening up a little bit. And I still need a color for my crease here. If you were me, what would you pick? I'm going to take the dark brown, see what happens. I don't need a ton of it. See what it looks like on. I'm going to put it right in the crease, right? Oh, that's a lot. Let's just touch it to the area. drag it towards my lashes. This is one way to do makeup. Just place it where you want it. Don't blend it. Get rid of this brush. Take back to the original brush. And just blend that out. I'm just staying on that outer half. I'm not taking it into the inner corner. I see fallout already. Creating a little V. I'm going to wipe off that brush I was blending with just to get off any of the extra and go back to blending some more. I do have a tiny concealer brush here, so I'm going to that. Not loving this. Needs a lot. It needs something. Hi Tallulah, did you come to say hello? Here's little Tallulah came to say hello. She was at the dentist this week and had 2 teeth pulled. We were not happy. They called during her dental cleaning, yeah, and they said she needs 2 teeth to come out. They liked them so much they decided to keep them. So here she is. She's recuperating from her dental surgery. Yeah? Okay, thank you. Lots of kisses for Mama, huh? All right, did you say hi to the friends? Okay. Do you have a bone? A toy? Can you go play with a toy? You thinking about it? Do you love me? Can I have a kiss? Okay. She's such a sweet girl. So I'm going to go back to the Morphe palette. I'm going to go across my lash line. To the crease. Just creating that little outer V. Crease, V, lash line. And right underneath my lashes on the outer half. Put a little lipstick on, see what this is actually looking like. I brought a lip pencil. My lips feel moisturized. I have on some balm today. And I think we will use, let's put some blush on. Dandelion by Benefit. Cute little sample size I have here. It's a pink. Just a natural blushing color. As if I were embarrassed by my lack of eyeshadow skills. I'm not embarrassed. I just do the best I can. I never claimed to be a professional. And the only makeup I've done on other people are family members who I've begged incessantly till they said yes. And my daughter, I actually did her makeup once while she was half asleep. She said, I don't want you to put makeup on me. She goes, I just want to nap. I said, can I do it while you're napping? And she was practically falling asleep, and I came over and I just started doing makeup on her. And when she woke up, she looked like a floozy. But she wore it for the day. I've got to give her credit for, we weren't only going to my parents' house, but she wore it over there and said, how do you like my floozy makeup that Mom did on me while I was sleeping? I have a lipstick color from Estee Lauder that I'm going to use. It's called Fig. Alright, that gave us a little color. We're going to have to go back and now and do some blending here of these colors I put in there. You can't just let your crease have lines in it. You know, and if we put some mascara on and see what this looks like, we may be in good shape. I don't know. Let's see. I don't feel I can judge until after I curl my lashes. I think I'm going to use this Lash Princess by Essence, the one with the purple. Usually start with one and see what it does, and then see what I need it to do after that. This mascara actually separates and gives you a little length. I have a hair there. So what I'm going to choose for my second mascara would be Essence also, but this is called Get Big. Maybelline Tattoo Studio Black Liner. I'm going to do inside my waterline. And I'm going to do right at the corner under my lashes. Just the corner, the very 1/8 of an inch, like that. Now we will reassess and see what's going on with this shadow and what it needs. I think it needs, first of all, to make sure there's no fallout here. I also think I'm going to take this very, very lightest color in the Morphe palette on a pencil brush. It's like a white, and I'm going to go right in my inner corner. Grabbing this Get Big mascara, taking a third one because I feel like I need a little bit more on the bottom. For a while, I didn't do any mascara on my bottom lashes. It was a phase I went through, and it lasted probably a couple years, but I'm back to preferring lashes on the bottom. And we'll go over. And that's our look. I did an eyeshadow look that is not red, orange, pink. There's none of those colors in here. There's yellow and there's taupey colors, a little bit of a, what would you call this? Copper, a little bit of a cool copper, not a warm one, a cooler one. It leaned a little yellow. And this is how I turned out. I will lean in, zoom you in. I will zoom you in, mother. And tell me what you think of these eyes instead. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. And as long as you're hanging around some of those buttons down below, why don't you subscribe? I'd love to have you back. I appreciate you being here today and stopping by, as I always do, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, have a good one.